Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful small little flower motif titled Maryse, and this is constructed with three colors, and it gives when you use the contrasting colors it gives a beautiful finish, and this motif will add beauty to all the projects that you make and include in them. Let's go into the video without much ado friends. With color A, chain 5, slip stitch and join to form a ring. So make a standing double crochet in the ring. Chain 2, 3 double crochets in the ring. So chain 2, 3 double crochets totally 3 times. Make 3 times. I shall also complete and get back. I have made chain 2, 3 doubles 3 times, and I have made the last chain 2 here and place 2 double crochets. And slip stitch to the third chain of 5 chain or the top of the DC. Now slip stitch into the chain space. Actually you need to fasten this off here, but let us take color B. Take the stitch here and insert color B and return. So let us carry this, because let us carry this above. We need this color A for the next round. So hence I am not fastening this off. Now color B is joined. Make a single crochet with color B. This might appear a little clumsy, but it will set itself in. Okay. Here we have the first single crochet, and in the next middle DC, that is skip the next DC, and in the middle DC place 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 2 space. Again 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles in the middle DC of 3 DC groups. So continue this pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began. We've come to the end of this round here. Pull this loop up, insert the hook from behind the last SC, that is the first SC we made. Now pick up color A. We did not fasten off in the previous round. Pick this up through the loop and tighten it, and insert and pull through this loop. So now chain 1 and make a single crochet in the last single crochet. Chain 1, 4 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet in the corners. Four double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet under the chain 2 space of the corners. chain 1, single crochet and single crochet. So this is the stitch repeat. Complete the stitch repeat and we need to slip stitch and fasten off this color. We've come to the end of the round here. Now I have made chain 1 also. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet and fasten off. I shall be back with color C. With color C, join and make a standing single crochet in one of the corners, chain 2, single crochet in the same corner. This is a single crochet round. Place one single crochet each on each of the 4 DCs, single crochet, one single crochet in chain space, one single crochet on single crochet, one single crochet on chain space, one single crochet each on each of the 4 DCs. So 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11 single crochets you will be placing on one side. So now place your single crochets. I shall also place my single crochets and get back to you when I reach this corner. In the corner, place one single crochet, chain 2, one single crochet. So one single crochet, chain 2, one single crochet. So repeat this stitch pattern on the other 3 sides also. I shall meet you where I place my very first single crochet. We've come to the end of this round here. Now slip stitch and join to the very first single crochet. Slip stitch into next chain space. Make a double crochet, standing double crochet or chain 5. Then if you make standard double crochet, chain 2 and one more double crochet in the same chain space. This is a corner, first corner made. One double in each of the next single crochets, in each of them, one double in each of them. So in the corners make double, chain 2 double and one double each on each of the single crochets. That is the pattern repeat. Complete the round with all the doubles. When you come to the corner, you'll have to make one double, chain 2, one double. So this is a simple round, placing double crochet on each of the stitches, and in the corners one double, chain 2, one double. I've come to the end of the round here. I've cut the yarn, slip stitch to the first stitch and fasten off. Here we go. Picking up and under this loop. Yeah. Now I shall be back with color A to complete the swatch. This round is a single crochet round. You can join anywhere, any stitch, and you need to place one single crochet each on each of the stitches here. So you can do the standing single crochet also. And place one single crochet each on each of the stitches. In the corner, one single, 2 chains, one single. So one single crochet, chain 2, one single crochet. This is the corner. And place one single crochet each on each of the double crochets all around. Only in the corners you need to make one single, chain 2, one single, and rest of the places place one single each on each of the DCs of the last round. So complete the placement of single crochets and get back. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of this round here. I have placed my last single crochet. Now cut the yarn and pull it out, and it calls for invisible join only. So from the second, here we go. So we get a neat finish by the invisible join. Okay. This square is a beautiful small little piece which is titled as Maryse. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this stitch. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, but before that a request, do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. You will be notified of the videos that we upload every other day then. Do like and share too. Have a great day friends. Bye for now.